Now this is my new camera, the DJI Osmo Action. It's been quite a while, I was planning to buy an action camera. So when we talk about action cameras, it is GoPro that comes to our mind first. Or I can say that GoPro is the most commonly used camera. So yeah, when I was planning to buy a GoPro, I thought I'll go for Hero 8. While I was planning this, my friend sent me a video of this DJI camera. It was a review, and that is when I actually came to know about this camera. I didn't even know that DJI had released a camera. I was aware of their drones. DJI has a lot of drones. I was knowing about that, but I didn't know that they had an action camera also. So I went through the review and I was pretty impressed. But I was still confused whether to go for Hero 8 or the Osmo Action. But finally I decided to buy the Osmo Action. So yeah, I didn't do an unboxing of this camera because honestly I'm very bad at unboxing stuff. So shooting a video would be a disaster. And I got this like 1 month back, but this is the first time I'm even bringing it outdoors because I haven't traveled anywhere. That's the reason. So anyways, coming back to Osmo Action, the main reason why I bought this Osmo Action is its price, because I got this at a price range of 22,000 from Amazon. This camera, it competes with the Hero 8 or at least Hero 7 we can say, and in that situation when we compare the price, it's very cheap. So the Hero 8 is around 35,000 I guess, so this comes at 22,000. So this is the main reason why I went for the Osmo Action. So this camera has got some pretty amazing cool features. So the first thing which I find is the coolest is this front screen. So it's not so common that you find a front screen in an action camera. So I think GoPro has released it in Hero 9, which released this year, but the DJI released it in the Osmo Action last year itself. And you have this removable lens here, and you can shoot videos up to 4K 60 FPS. You can do underwater shots, you can shoot HDR videos, you can do time lapse, hyperlapse, and pretty good. that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, you know what to do, right? So until I come back with a new video, this is Rahul signing out of Nature Traveler.